This is a guided solve for the Rubik's 2x2. Follow all the steps in this video and you will have a solved 2x2. First, scramble as follows. White is on top and orange should be in the front. R, U2, L, D prime, R, B, L2, F prime, R, D, L. And now solve for red. We will use this part as the anchor point, and we will solve our red pieces according to this. We will now solve for the piece that's supposed to be here. So we will look for a piece with red and white, and we find one here. So to begin, we first remove this from the top layer. We do R prime, D prime, R, D, and now it is below. Now we can move it over here so it is directly below where it's supposed to be, and we do R prime, D prime, R, D, and now it's up there. Now we have to do it again to bring it up. R prime, D prime, R, D. Do it one more time with R prime, D prime, R, D. And now this piece is now solved. Now we have to solve for the other two pieces. Now we're going to solve for the piece that has blue and red, and we see one right here, so it's already underneath. So we do R prime, D prime, R, D, R prime, D prime, R, D, R prime, D prime, R, D. And now this one is solved. Now we just have to solve for the last one. The piece that we need is just directly beneath, so we do R prime, D prime, R, D again, R prime, D prime, R, D, R prime, D prime, R, D, R prime, D prime, R, D. And now these are now solved. So now we turn the cube over, and now we solve for the top. We look at the top and we see that there are no orange pieces. In an official Rubik's, opposite of red is orange, and since there are none, we have to bring one up. So we do this algorithm: R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. And now we have some orange on the top. I will use this part as a reference, and so we turn the top layer until it goes into its corresponding position. And now we just solve the remaining two pieces for the top layer. So for this piece, we're going to do R prime, D prime, R, D, R prime, D prime, R, D, R prime, D prime, R, D, R prime, D prime, R, D. Now we turn the top layer until we have one more piece to solve. So we do R prime, D prime, R, D, R prime, D prime, R, D. And now our top is solved. Now we need to orient the top layer like so. So this one is now solved. And now we just have to swap these two pieces. With these two pieces at the top layer facing you, now do this algorithm: L prime, U, R prime, D2, R, U prime, R prime, D2, R2. The top layer once, and now the cube is now solved.